Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, we are going to discuss the fourth example on Boolean laws. Boolean laws are very much important for minimizing the logical equations. Let's discuss fourth example. So your fourth example is a bar bc plus a b bar c plus a b c bar plus ABC, it should be equals to AB plus AC plus BC. Now to prove the example, we will consider the left hand side and right hand side. So take left hand side, that is LHS part, A bar BC plus AB bar C plus ABC bar plus ABC. Now if you focus on these two terms, then we can write here a bar bc plus a b bar c plus ab, you can take common, c plus c bar. So which law you can apply? A plus a bar is equals to 1. So a bar bc plus a b bar c plus ab dot 1, because c plus c bar is 1. Now a bar bc plus a b bar c plus a b. Now in the next step, what you can do, a bar bc plus a b bar c plus ab. I am repeating this step. Now if you see here these two terms, then a you can take common. So a bar bc plus a is common, b plus b bar c. Which law you can apply? A plus a bar b equals to a plus b. So a bar bc plus a in bracket b plus c. Now expand this, AB plus AC. Now if you focus on these two terms, what you can write here? C is common, A plus A bar B plus AB. Now which law you can apply? A plus A bar B is equals to A plus B. So C in bracket A plus B plus AB. Now you have to multiply this C to this bracket. You can write AB plus AC plus BC. This is your RHS. So finally LHS is equals to RHS. This proves your example. So here we have applied the three laws. Many times many laws are applied. You can take according to the situation any law and you have to minimize it, and you should get this answer. You have to focus on the RHS part and start solving reducing. So in this way you can calculate your answer. This is all about the example on Boolean law. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.